Hello everyone, and today we are at Curry's Fun Park Portrush on the very 1st of October. Today is the last day of Curry's Fun Park Portrush, and we're here to get some final rides, and we're beginning off with Crazy Frog. Hey! Stand up. Woo! Woo! And there we are, Crazy Frog. So up next, we're going to take you on the ghost train. Here we are, the final ride on the ghost train. Oh, listen. Oh, go, werewolf! Oh no, gorilla! The next ride we're doing is Crazy Frog and Sizzler. Last ride on this. Let's go. Here we go for the final ride on this. Whee! Love a good twist. Whoa! Oh, it's lit. Literally going max speed now. Whoa! Oh my word! It never goes this fast! Ah! Ah! Jeepers! Whoa! Oh my! Whoa! So nice. Here we are on the Big Dipper. I think this is the final public ride, guys. Yes. Right. Let's go. Final public ride, everyone. Look at this beautiful view. Sadly, Beast is closed. I think I said about that earlier. But anyway, we are here. Final ride on Big Dipper. Let's make it a good one. Let's go. So there we are. Curry's closes in like 10 minutes. Waltzer's down. Crazy Caterpillar's up here. Look at all this. Yeah. So, yeah. That's Curry's for 2022, guys. 2022 season over, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.